We're keeping chicken dinners exciting around here, and today I'm gonna show you how to make lemon pepper chicken. This has so much flavor, you're not gonna wanna stop eating it, and it's one of the easiest skillet chickens. And I'm hungry, so let's get started. You'll need 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts. Use a knife to cut each chicken breast in half lengthwise so you end up with 4 chicken cutlets. Try to keep those an even thickness for even cooking times. Now for the lemon pepper seasoning mix. In a small bowl, combine your flour, lemon pepper seasoning, garlic powder, and salt. Whisk that together to combine. By adding the flour right into the seasoning mix, we skip the dredging step altogether. Sprinkle your seasoning all over the chicken and rub it in with your hand. The flour also forms a very light crust, sealing in the juicy chicken center, and it helps the sauce stick to the chicken better. Now we're ready to saute. Set a large skillet over medium heat, and we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Once your oil is hot and shimmering, add your chicken to the pan in a single layer. You're gonna saute on that first side for about 5 minutes or until that first side is golden brown. You can see it's formed a beautiful crust. We're gonna flip the chicken over and cook for another 4 to 6 minutes or until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit on the thickest part of the chicken. Transfer your chicken to a plate, and we're gonna make the pan sauce right in that same skillet. Turn off the heat and add the butter to the hot pan. Scrape the pan as it melts to get up all those tasty bits. Now add the zest of 1 lemon and you can zest right into the pan. And I will link to my favorite zester in the recipe notes. Now squeeze in some fresh lemon juice. I also like to add more lemon pepper seasoning along with some freshly chopped parsley. Stir everything to combine, and this seriously creates the best lemon pepper butter sauce. Add your cooked chicken back to the pan and turn each piece to coat in that amazing sauce. Whew, I can't even tell you how good this smells. And when you're all done, I do love to spoon the pan sauces right over the chicken breast, just like so. This pan sauce is everything here. You're gonna wanna like lick the pan. It's so good. It's like mouth-watering, just the right amount of fresh lemon flavor. And then of course, that lemon pepper seasoning. It's just excellent. Okay, let's serve this up. We can get rid of this hot pad. Ooh, and I almost forgot. It's very pretty to add a little bit of garnish. So lemon slices, I like to put that on. It just makes like what is otherwise a super simple dinner, just elevates it, makes it look fancy. So I like to put these on, especially if you're serving it for company, because seriously, this chicken is good enough to serve for company. You'll see. 1 bite and you'll know. Whether you're arranging this on a platter or just right in the skillet to save yourself some dishes, just put some lemon slices around. Okay, now we serve. If I had a meme for this chicken, it would be just like that. Now for the best part, the pan sauces. Make sure you spoon them onto your chicken. And if you love even more lemon, feel free to squeeze some lemon juice over the top. But I feel like it's pretty lemony as it is. Okay, enough talking, more eating. And this pairs really well with just about any grain. You can serve it with rice, you can serve it with pasta, mashed potatoes, quinoa, pretty much whatever you want. Pairs really well, but it has a ton of flavor, so all you need is something simple on the side. Look at how juicy this chicken is. Look at that. Every bite, like let it go swimming in that pan sauce because it's so good. I mean, look at that. You can't go wrong. But actually this piece is enormous. I don't know what the heck I was thinking. I'm gonna trim that down a teensy. This is much more reasonable, much more my size. Okay. I know why I cut my piece so big is because I have to eat the whole thing. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take it swimming in the pan. Okay, we're gonna take it swimming right in the pan because that's where all the sauces are. Give me a moment. The flavor is so bright and lemony, and you can taste the garlic powder on there and the little bit of fresh parsley. It's so satisfying. And you might think, wow, 4 tablespoons of butter is a lot, but I almost feel like it's not enough. Once you get to dipping into that sauce, you'll see what I mean. I hope you guys totally love this and that it becomes a new weeknight favorite for you. If you guys have any recipe requests for me, let me know in the comments. Also, let me know where you spotted Sharky, and we'll see you on the next episode of Natasha's Kitchen. And this is calling my name, so I'm gonna just have lunch a little early. Okay, bye now. Winner, winner, chicken dinner.